Okay, we have planted some trees and I have more trees to plant, but in the meantime I have to also create some flower beds at the border. So these are border flowers that I will create here. So bulbs and on top of it some later bulbs, and then gladioli and perennials and annuals on top of all of them. So I've dug it around 1 foot for the deepest for things like daffodil and bluebell and tulip. Then on top of it I put more tulips and then some other bulbs. So this is the way I'm creating a border flower, or flower border. And I marked it for today up to there. Then I will gradually dig from here to that path. This will be formal part of the border, and after that I will think about what I want to do. Probably make it more informal, rustic. Okay, I planted the bulbs in a row. Of course they say that you have to plant it in a clump, but I prefer now in this border to do it like this, because I'm going to plant a lot of flowers and they'll be poking in different layers. So I'm going now to cover this with another layer of the soil, and then we go for the next stage. I just spread a little bit of this fungi, macroizal fungi. Now I planted the daffodils, and now there go gladiolis and others. Now planted gladiolis. And these are these varieties: border mixed gladioli, shorter stemmed varieties, sunset mix, which is fiery, and one old English mix, which is a kind of cold white, blue, and light pink. Now I've given them some of these root grow macroizal fungi, as you can see. And now I'm going to cover it with soil or compost. At this same level also I planted some dahlias. And the dahlias are these varieties: 4 collarette mix dahlia, intricate flowers, and decorative dahlia mix from Tesco, and that's Taylor's. And these are the ones. So these are more decorative. They are just plain, but they're white, pink, blue, and red and yellow and mixture. So now we're going for adding a little bit compost to this. Now I've covered the gladioli and dahlias. Next stage is to plant the small bulbs. Now planted 100 bulbs of the Armeniaceum armenicum, and so they'll be a bit shallowest ones. Also 2 packs of this, each 50, allium moly, so it's kind of like a garlic, probably blue. Each pack had 50, so 100 of this. And these are the allium moly. So too tiny to do individually, I just scattered them. And 100 of these Rhodia, which is this ones, and this is the pack. Each pack has 50, so 100. And 100 bulbs of this plant, which is Iphion uniform. Iphion uniform. 50 of this round bulb, which is called Allium Neapolitanum. And 50 of these anemone blande or simple anemone, and this is this black bulb at the center. It looks almost like a mushroom. That's the name of it. I've also planted some peony and some ranculus mix, and again some gladioli and other bulbs and tubers. And this is the peony, and I'm going to cover them now, all of this, with some compost and then wood chip on top to stop the weeds growing. Here I've now added the compost on top and then added a layer of wood chip to keep it warm until the frosts are finished, and also keeping the weeds from growing on it. So this is the result, and the rain already has started, so good time to go have a cup of tea. So I'm going now to harvest a few of these flowers for home, and these are beautiful, that is beautiful, all of them are beautiful.